Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create stunning images using AI. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this guide will have something for everyone. Yes, you heard it right. With the power of AI, you can create visuals that will leave everyone in awe. You'll be making jaw-dropping visuals in no time. Imagine the possibilities. So let's dive right in. Get your creative juices flowing and let's get started. First things first, you'll need an AI tool. There are many out there, each with its own unique features. There are several options out there, but for this video I'll be using DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. It's one of the most advanced and user-friendly tools available. It's super user-friendly and delivers fantastic results. You'll be amazed at what you can create with just a few clicks. Head over to the OpenAI website and sign up if you haven't yet. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged in, look for DALL-E 2. Found it? Great. Now let's get to the fun part. You'll see a text box where you can type a description of the image you want to create. This is where your creativity comes into play. Here's a pro tip. Be as detailed as possible. The more information you provide, the better the AI can understand and generate your image. Instead of saying a cat, say a fluffy white cat sitting on a red velvet cushion in front of a cozy fireplace. See the difference? The more specific, the better the result. This helps the AI to generate an image that matches your vision more closely. Now let's try creating something together. This is where the magic happens. Type in a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars and neon lights. Imagine the vibrant colors and dynamic elements. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. The AI will process your description and create an image based on your input. It may take a few moments, so be patient. Good things come to those who wait. Boom, there it is, your AI-generated masterpiece. Isn't it incredible? If you're not happy with the first result, no worries. You can always try again. DALL-E 2 allows you to generate multiple versions. This way, you can choose the one that best fits your vision. Just tweak your description or try rephrasing it until you get what you want. But wait, there's more. You can also make edits to your images. DALL-E 2 also lets you edit images. This feature is perfect for adding final touches or making adjustments. Want to add a dragon to your cityscape? No problem. Click on the image, use the edit tool, and describe what you want to add. Easy, right? The possibilities are endless. You can download your final image and use it however you like. Whether it's for personal use or a professional project, the choice is yours. Maybe as a wallpaper or in a presentation or even as part of your next big project. The possibilities are endless. Your creativity is the only limit. Before I wrap up, a quick recap. Let's go over what we've learned today. We used DALL-E 2 to create stunning images by typing detailed descriptions. The more detailed, the better the result. We generated multiple versions and even edited our images. This flexibility allows for endless creativity. And finally, we downloaded our masterpiece. Now it's ready to be used in any way you see fit. So, what are you waiting for? The world of AI image creation is at your fingertips. Go ahead and start creating your own AI-generated images today. Unleash your creativity and see what amazing things you can come up with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating. See you in the next video.